Kacific, the heart of broadband.
My name is Evamay Dela Rosa. I'm the new Regional Director of the DICT Region 11. We are the primary planning, coordinating, implementing branch of the executive government in terms of the development and promotion of the national ICT agenda. So our role here in the region is basically to implement the different programs and projects of the department. One of the mandates of the ICT is the assisting in the dissemination of vital information for disaster risk reduction and management. This actually benefits our people in terms of upskilling, and reskilling those who have know-how already of the VSAT. So with your help, we are grateful because you've capacitated our people so that we can really deliver the different functionalities of benefits of the use of VSAT, especially in disaster-stricken areas. So your product, the VSAT, has many uses. When it comes to disaster response, the VSAT is very, very important when the network is down, when there's no telco operating in the area, because all of these telcos these towers are down, walang kuryente sa area. It's very important that we can set up right away a communication equipment so that we can communicate to the outside world. The coordination between different government agencies is very difficult without comms. So we're really grateful to Kacific for this capacity training, yung ating capacity development for the people in the region, so that we can really make use of and optimize the use of VSAT with its different features, with the help of Kacific training us in the deployment, in the actual use of VSAT. So maraming salamat, Kacific.